I just figured out how to make a working zipline in Minecraft. First, find a space between two pieces of land, such as this. Place a line of chain inside of the gap. Dig a hole 1 block behind the start of the zipline that is 2 blocks deep and make an opening on the side. Place a trapdoor inside of this opening. Go back to the hole and place a bucket of water. Jump into the hole and swim out through the gap. You have now created your very own working zipline. I just found this really cool hidden feature in Minecraft. First, create a new world and select more world options. Hold shift on your keyboard and change the world type until debug mode is selected. Open the world and you will see a showcase of every different type of every different block in Minecraft. I encourage you to try this for yourself and see if you can find any types of blocks that you might not have known about. I just found this really cool Minecraft trick that allows you to put items on a shelf. First, create a shelf that looks something like this and go behind it. Dig a 2x3 hole here and place 3 redstone blocks. Place 3 armor stands on top in this exact position and put whatever items you want in their hands. Drop 3 scaffolding on top of it and then repeat the process until you have 2 armor stands on top of each other. Now place these 3 pistons just like this behind them with a slab in front of each one and activate all of them. Repeat this process except 1 block higher. You now have a really cool way to display your items, so go see what you can do.